Hi, thank you for watching. My name is Reinhard. I am from Certified Thermographers Network in Africa, and I would like to talk to you a little bit more about the Infrared Thermography Basics course presented by CTN-A. On this course you will learn a whole lot more about field of view, focus, atmospheric transmittance, but also you will learn about emissivity, that dreadful word, as well as reflective apparent temperatures and how it affects your scans. And then of course we're going to do some practical examples, not only electrical but some other mechanical refractory linings. Go to our homepage ctn-a.org, click on our training schedule or upcoming training. At the upcoming training you will find all the dates of the courses, but also from our workshops, smaller 2-hour workshops. So visit us at ctn-a.org. And if you've liked this video, please click on like and do not forget to click on subscribe.